Okay, this is the CA Double Award Science Physics Higher June 2012 Non-Modular Paper 3. So we're going to be looking at the resistance when we have a switch and we have bits in series and parallel. So it says 3 resistors 20 ohms are connected as shown below. Complete the diagram to show the total resistance between the different points for different switch settings. So between points X and Y. Now whenever they give you points X, Y and Z, you need to make sure you're reading the question carefully, because sometimes they want from X to Z, or sometimes they want from X to Y or Y to Z. So you need to read it. So the first one is Y to Z. So from here to here when the switch is closed. So when the switch is closed, the electricity can go this way and this way. Okay, and this bit here is obviously parallel, so you can use your parallel formula. 1 over RT equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2, which is equal to 1 over 20 plus 1 over 20, which is equal to 2 over 20. That's 1 over the total resistance. We don't want 1 over, we want the total. So we flip this to get RT equals 20 over 2, which is equal to 10. Okay? Because they don't give it a space for that working out, what you can also do is remember your rules. When we have 2 resistors in parallel that are identical, the total resistance is half of one of these. So half of 20 is 10. We've just worked that out. So for our first value, it is 10. You don't need to put the units because the units are there. Next one is between X and Z when the switch is open. Okay, so X at the start, Z at the end. So when the switch is open, there's a gap in the circuit so the electricity can't flow through it. So starting here, we know it's going to go through 20. So I'm just writing down 20 plus. It can't go that way, so I'm going to go this way. So it's going to be 20 plus 20 because it's technically series together. So your total to be 40 ohms. Okay. Now we're going to go from X and Z when the switch is closed. So in the first part of the question we counted, we worked out the resistance between Y and Z when the switch is closed, and we said it was 10. So when the switch is closed and we're going from here to here, we know this here, resistance of this total thing, that is 10 ohms. So we can pretend this what 10 ohms is in series with this one, so it's just 20 plus our 10, which gives us 30.